to go about a business model. So this is the video which was requested, so I had decided to do it. Business model innovation is basically reinventing how an organization creates products or services, which is dependent on value, creating it, capturing it, and delivering it. The facts are powerful ways to design your business would be value creation through self-service, integrators, or disintermediations, value capturing through revenue sharing, membership, subscriptions, or proposition through no frills, lock-in, self-service, etc. Distribution is currently working on e-commerce and franchising, and the customers are influencers and other segments. Today the most important thing is to devise a business model. You need to have a solution to a problem, cost estimation, strategy building, then bootstrapping, small rollouts, and then industry associations can help you build a business model. Product management would be basically on the goals and budgets and approvals, which is given or made through strategy, projections, roadmaps, analysis by the development and sales and marketing team, which is based on field input, customer feedback, and the benefits, pricing, and positioning of the products, which is a process which is endless, of course. So we need to create value through target, need, and unique benefit, and capturing it through the cost structure, and delivering the resources and activities which provides the profitability. So in order to build a business model, we have to know that what is that we are creating in the process. Take your time to jot points under this. Business model would have two basic important things, which is key partners and key activities. Value proposition, key resources, cost structures is one part of the key partners, and the client relationship. The key channels, revenue structure, and client segments are the activities. Some functional business model I would to give, which is a doing good. Pinterest is a business model which has shown tremendous benefits, which value proposition is basically exclusivity, open registration, and brand promotion, advertising. The key activities is tasting the app and stuff. Spotify business model is totally the value proposition is instant access to millions of songs, facilitate music explorations. The revenue streams are subscription fees and advertising revenue, and the customer segments are only to listeners and advertisers. Cost structure is basic licensing fees, operation costs, and salary. Amazon is the known business model which has worked wonders. The revenue streams is commission, transaction fees, and subscription fees. Cost structure is driven by technology, and basic cost units are fulfillment centers, software development, and customer service centers. And the channels are Amazon website and affiliate programs. This is TikTok business model. We can see that the channel is only online, and the value proposition is low barrier for entry and creativity and powerful video editor. Customer segments are creators and users. Airbnb business model is a very simple business model where the hosts get 3% and the guests pay 5% and 15%, which is basically dependent on the photographers who provide extra income to the hosts and give a free joining space. Avon, Amway, Herbalife, yes, MLM business model: attract, convert, close, and delight. The main important thing is they generate lead and they convert them to customers. The whole process is dependent on a single person, on how to attract, convert, close, and delight the customers. The process is actually recruiting. So I don't find a business model. Let's look a little bit closer to it. MLM business model is basically recruiting, where we do not actually find a proper business model where the value is created, and so there is actually no business model in a MLM business model or the MLM businesses, that is multi-level marketing. Whenever we talk about any business model, the value creation is very important. Services and product to customer acquisition along with value proposition, which is currently done digitally, is a very easy process to be followed. Now business model can be many to many people, but the most important thing is we need to create the business on strategies and values. Digital business models map. A digital business model might be defined as a model that leverages digital technologies to improve several aspects of an organization. E-commerce or marketplace is one type of a business model which is proven to done good, like Amazon, freemium like Spotify, peer-to-peer like Uber, Airbnb, LinkedIn, ad supported like Google, Facebook and Twitter, hidden revenue like Facebook and Google. Open source are many journals and stuff which are working on an open source model. Now these models have unique selling proposition which is defined in terms of business model. So building business model is and should be flexible, and value to proposition has to be there properly. So the tip for today: work on your back end. You need to talk to your colleagues in order to know your one weakness which could bring tremendous change, and then you work on that weakness and expect when people will be expecting forehand, you show them your backhand. So in order to work on different kind of business model, you have to work on them very carefully.